In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to SmartArt and back to text in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted your plain bullet points to look more visual and professional without rebuilding everything from scratch, this is a simple and reliable way to do it. Start on the slide that contains the text you want to enhance. Click inside the text box or placeholder and select the text you want to transform. Each line of text becomes its own SmartArt shape. So if your ideas are meant to be separate points, keep them on separate lines. If you're working in a slide layout that already includes a content placeholder, selecting your text there works perfectly. With your text selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the paragraph group, click Convert to SmartArt. This opens a gallery of visual options. You'll see categories like List, Process, and Cycle. Choose a style that matches the kind of information you're presenting. For example, List is great for points or ideas, Process is ideal for sequential steps, and Cycle works well for items that repeat. When you click your choice, PowerPoint automatically formats your text into that SmartArt style, placing each line into its own shape and aligning everything for you. Your wording stays the same. It's just presented in a more structured, graphical format that's easier to scan and more engaging for your audience. If you later decide the visuals aren't what you need, you can return to normal text just as easily. Click the SmartArt graphic to select it so that the handles appear around its edges. When the graphic is selected, the SmartArt Design tab appears on the ribbon. Go to that tab, click the Convert button, and choose Convert to Text. PowerPoint removes the SmartArt structure and returns your content to standard text in the placeholder or text box. The line breaks remain, and your list returns to a simple text format, ready for any further edits or adjustments you want to make. A few quick tips for smooth results. Make sure the right text is selected before converting. Keep each point on its own line if you want separate shapes, and pick a SmartArt type that reflects the logic of your content. This approach lets you experiment freely, knowing that you can always switch between visuals and plain text without losing your content. That's all there is to it. Select your text, convert it to SmartArt from the Home tab, choose a layout that fits, and when needed, select the SmartArt and convert it back to text from the SmartArt Design tab.